Question 16 is about the behavior of gases. Part A. To verify Boyle's law, the students need a pressure gauge, such as a bourdon gauge, and a calibrated cylinder or syringe to read the volume. And the quantity they must keep constant is the temperature. Part B. Two gases start at opposite ends of a tube and meet where a white deposit forms. The deposit forms nearer gas B, which means gas A travelled further, so gas A diffused faster. To increase the rate of diffusion of the gases in the tube, you can raise the temperature or reduce the pressure. Part C. 1. Charles's law by the kinetic theory. Raising the temperature makes the molecules move faster, with more kinetic energy. To keep the pressure constant, the gas must expand, so the number of collisions per unit area each second stays the same. Hence, volume rises with temperature. Part C. 2. At constant pressure, Charles's law says V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. Convert to Kelvin. 19 plus 273 is 292, and 24 plus 273 is 297. So V2 is 20 times 297 over 292, which is 20.34 cubic centimeters. Well done. Question 16 is complete.